Good morning, Akshay. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Dad. I slept well. Thank you.
Hey, do you like your new bicycle? It looks fantastic.
Thanks, Dad. Yes, it's awesome. I love it.
Akshit, do you remember when I talked to you about possessive nouns?
Yes, Dad. You mentioned them before.
Well, possessive nouns show ownership or possession. Remember when I said Akshit's bicycle? The possessive noun Akshit's indicates that the bicycle belongs to you. And if the noun is plural, like toys, we add an apostrophe after the letter S to show possession.
Oh, I remember now. So, if it's singular, we add S, and if it's plural, we add S.
And apostrophe.
Exactly. Let's go over it again. Look around your room, Akshit. Can you tell me about some of your belongings using possessive nouns?
Sure, Dad. My bed's mattress, my book's shelf, and my toys box.
That's right. You're starting to grasp the concept. Now, let's talk about our family's possession. For example, whose car is parked outside?
It's Mom's car.
Good. And whose laptop is on the desk?
It's yours, Dad.
That's right. And whose painting is hanging on the wall?
It's Grandma's painting.
Exactly. You're doing great, Akshit. Well, Akshit, I believe you now understood possessive nouns.
Thanks, Dad. I understand them much better.
You're welcome, son. Remember, possessive nouns help us show ownership and make our language more precise.
I will, Dad. Thanks for teaching me.